Welcome to our channel. Discover the simplest way to complete the Nothing Bundt Cakes guest satisfaction survey and make your voice heard. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the straightforward process of taking the Nothing Bundt Cakes guest satisfaction survey, ensuring your experience is heard and appreciated. The survey is a great way for the company to learn what you think and improve their delicious cakes and service. Let's break it down step by step. Begin by locating your receipt from your recent purchase at Nothing Bundt Cakes. This receipt contains the survey invitation and a unique code needed to access the survey online. Next, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Nothing Bundt Cakes survey website typically listed on your receipt. Make sure you enter the URL exactly as shown to avoid any errors. Once on the survey page, enter the unique code from your receipt. This code helps the system verify your visit and enables you to participate in the survey after log. You'll be presented with a series of questions about your visit. These usually cover topics like the quality of the cakes, the friendliness of staff, the cleanliness of the store, and your overall satisfaction. Be honest and detailed in your responses, as they help improve future experiences. If you encounter any rating scales, select the option that truly reflects your opinion. For open-ended questions, take a moment to write any additional feedback or suggestions you might have. This is a great chance to let Nothing Bundt Cakes know what they are doing well or how they could enhance your next visit. Review your answers carefully before submitting, as some surveys do not allow changes once completed. Upon submission, you may be rewarded with a discount code or entry into a prize drawing, depending on the current promotional offers. Finally, remember to keep your receipt until you complete the survey, as the code is often required to participate. Completing this survey not only potentially benefits you with rewards, but also helps Nothing Bundt Cakes continue delivering great products and service. Thank you for joining us in this step-by-step walkthrough. We hope this guide makes your survey experience quick and hassle-free.